puse stay tuned na Cool FM 98.9 pa sobra kanal kita on fire. Ziggy-diggo, 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 Brian D. Ziggy-diggo, 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 Brian D.
Excelente, nos di back. Si back e manejo nos avisamos nos di entrevista dia avego da Luna. Nos por ponerle qualche info urato mi tabay cambiando ding les urato sine kita me. Vamos nos poner info que pelo qual gota EU tanto 2 anos passaram se dinang junto com nós ding studio anto resultado después de aqui album novo ko sali lo qual da TikTok tambe tu risa kita super grande super great mes panang anto wala kinana ta klapa by pe second chapter yana ganti the Revoir yes nos switch the language urato. Yes, Yurik.
Yes.
Hey,
Hey.
how you doing, man? It's been a while, right?
It's been a while. Yeah, 2 years. It's crazy.
So funny story. I was emceeing this last Friday, right?
Yeah.
And I bumped into you guys.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, right?
craziest coincidence. Yeah, we were handing out flyers and it wasn't going that well actually. we were at Renaissance. People were like ignoring us, or we would get some flyers out, but then at some point a security guard told us to stop.
Oh,
But
no.
then coincidentally we did bump into you. Yeah.
Yeah. So this flyer is for something. In my concept, it's like a goodbye concert.
Yeah. Because well, we haven't played a show in like a year. Because we're all going to study. I wasn't here for that year, and so now that we're gonna be all leaving, we all wanted to have like a one last show for Aruba,
One less show for Aruba. Now, this is kind of like a new chapter because, of course, as we were talking, with closed mics, the Netherlands is such a huge country, so the possibilities are just endless.
Yeah, there's so many opportunities with regards to like recording or performing and stuff, and we don't even know like what could be in store for when we go there.
Awesome. So there's a date set for this goodbye concert.
Yeah.
Which is when?
26th of July on Friday. This Friday. This week.
All right. And where's the location for this one?
Oh, it's at Midushi Kasibari at the Rock Formation.
Midushi Kasibari.
Yeah,
Awesome. So for those who are interested in purchasing tickets, how can they do this?
They can contact 5927127. That's our manager. She'll regel any tickets, or you can just get tickets at the door, and you'll be permitted entry. It's just 12 floating.
Awesome. So this is your first show back. After
Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. Not having played for a year, it's kind of difficult to get back into the vibe as a band, and we also aren't playing with our original drummer anymore. We've got a guest drummer, Dane.
Yeah, of course. So Shay, what are your expectations for this show? I mean, it's been a while, so people are gonna be excited to hear you guys again.
Yeah, I'm just excited. I'm hoping for a lot of energy. And anyone can come, any ages, and yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Awesome. So we have Stefan as well that's joining us today. So Stefan, now that you guys are like moving with the next chapter in this wonderful book, of course. So what do you expect? What are your goals for the Netherlands and for the band as well?
Well, in the Netherlands, I'm just like hoping that we brainstorm new song ideas more and more. Me and Yurik have been talking about a lot of new ideas and what the second album could look like, and that's mostly what I'm thinking about doing in the
second album.
The Netherlands.
That sounds so good, right? The second album.
Yeah.
That sounds really, really cool. So we have Dane as well. Dane is joining the band as the guest drummer. So what are your expectations for the concert as well?
Just doing my job and completing the gig, making sure everyone has a good time.
Yeah. And how is the vibe with these guys? Because these guys are awesome.
You guys are amazing.
These guys are awesome.
Funny.
Every
practice session is just nice. There's just a good vibe everywhere.
Yes, excellent. And they are so talented. And I've been wondering, did you guys go abroad yet? What's happening? So when I bumped into you guys, I'm like, that's a sign that I needed.
Yeah, of course.
Because again, this band has, it's been wonderful here, But now you guys are going to a completely different market.
Yeah.
It's a whole other ballgame.
Yeah. I'm actually really curious about the rock scene over there. You know, because I played one show, but it was more of an indie show. But I want to get into the more like underground, like you see the venues that they have, and you know, see how the scene is in general with rock music.
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course. And of course, you guys have a very good tool, which is TikTok.
Oh yeah.
Because this is where we saw you guys in the first place.
Yeah.
So TikTok is gonna help you guys a lot.
Yeah, we're hoping to get back on the
Cool.
TikTok stuff, because that's something that we weren't able to do since, you know, we were apart for a whole year, you know. But now that we'll be being together soon again, we're hoping to get a you know, permanent drummer in the Netherlands, and then then we'll go back on that TikTok stuff and then promote ourselves.
That sounds really exciting. So, for your fans, what can they expect during this gig, your goodbye concert for the island of Aruba?
We're gonna have, if they're still available, we'll have shirts and these little plushies available.
Oh.
So yeah, that's if they're available, if they're still in stock, because they're going by really quick, because we've got a pre-sale going. But yeah, and we're gonna be playing most of our first record that we put out. The second I left. We put out our album that we've been working quite a while on. So you can expect those songs. You can expect some covers, and you know, our classics like Mavis and Jory. And
Yeah, Mavis is such a very good song,
Yeah,
man.
thanks.
It's such a very good song, and we are exciting to see you guys grow. Now that you guys are going to the Netherlands as well, it's new opportunities will arise. So we will be hearing from you guys again.
Yeah, hopefully.
This is your home.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
whenever there's like new songs, new inspirations, we will be in touch. Of course.
Yeah. I really appreciate it. We all really appreciate it.
Yeah, of course. So invite the whole island to attend to this concert.
Yeah, no, just come down, you know, again, you know, just come see us play. We're just playing good alternative rock music. I hope you enjoy it if you do come.
And what's the phone number? One more time.
That's 592-7127. Or you can check on our Instagram at the Revoir official, just one word. And we've got a post for it.
That's kind of like the easiest, right? Just go on Instagram and, and make it happen, right?
Yeah. We've got a post there, and you just contact that number on WhatsApp, and then you'll figure it out.
Perfect, guys. All the best for this concert.
Thank you very much.
This Friday, and we will be seeing each other, of course.
Yes.
Yes. Awesome. Zeta de Revoir, que join us durante o tarde, nanta pisando nos Isla Yon. Messi, basta tempo, nanta being back into the caso, apresentar one last show, e abonou porque tá fo, queremos, abonou porque tá fo, de Revoir, não escuta ainda, queremos, botin di stream ng album, may tabay loso canción na hora que nandi album. Por enjoy o rato, e botin a G's sneak peek, lo qual tabay pasa sa piano, As always, nasa super proud din nanta may working nango natabayendo Mafota, may natabayendo Holanda, Keremi. What about in the bag in no time? Was that be a super awesome webinar?